Welcome to Praveen Patil, College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Myself Raj Ghevare, working as a lecturer in Mechanical Department. We will look on the subject Theory of Machine. We will be discussing on chapter number 3, that is Camp and Follower. So, a camp is a rotating machine element which give reciprocity or oscillating motion to another element known as follower. The camp and follower has a point or linear contact, constitute a higher pair. Let's see about camp and follower. Now, in this, the camp and a follower is a device which can convert rotary motion into linear motion. So, as we are able to see from the image, the component which is moving in a rotating form, that is for the camp, and which is performing a linear motion, that is for the follower. So let's see the types of the follower. They are knife edge for follower, ruler follower, flat face follower, spherical follower, radial follower, and offset follower. Let's discuss about the first type, that is knife edge follower. So this type of follower has a sharp area of contact with the camp. This is the simplest among all the follower, and this kind of follower are not in a use in case of fast application because of its sharp edges. So here we are able to see this as the sharp edge of the follower, which is like a knife like structure. Let's see about the ruler follower. So this type of follower is mainly used in high speed operation because it has a smooth contact, which we are able to see over here, because it has a smooth contact, surface contact. This type of follower has less wear and tear as compared to other follower. So we are able to see this is the follower which is having a roller surface contact. Now coming towards the advantages. Over here, the advantages of this roller follower is less wear and tear, life of the follower is more, easy to operate, less lubrication required, and less power losses. Applications will be for this follower are in book binding machine, conveyors, tool changers of a machining element, automatic coating machine. Coming towards the flat face follower. So as we are able to see here, this is the part of a flat face for this follower. Now this type of follower looks like a flat surface with an irregular camp. This type of camp is used when the space is limited, and this follower can exist more side thrust. This follower can also be used in a precious applications. Now coming towards the next type of follower, which is known as spherical follower. So as we are able to see, it is a modification of flat face follower. Here there is a curvature in structure of the follower. This type of follower has a curved but regular follower as well as a camp. Now this is the modification of a flat faced follower. So let's see the next one, radial follower. In this type of follower, the line of movement passes through the center of the camp shaft. Mainly, the movement of the follower is in a line. The follower is in a reciprocating motion. So here the diagram is as the same as for a knife edge follower. Now coming towards the offset follower. So in the name itself, offset follower, we can understand that is in this type of follower, the movement of the axis of the follower is not collinear with the camp axis. It is not collinear with the camp axis. So here we are able to see this is the axis of the camp and this is the axis of the follower. It is not collinear with each other. So it is offset at certain distance. So here we are able to see the axis of the camp and the axis of the follower. So it is offset at certain particular distance. Coming towards the next one, that is camp terminology. So before we proceed to the camp terminology, we will try to understand the figure first of all. So here this is the trace path of the follower with respect to the camp. Now in this there are total number of various number of terminologies which we are going to discuss. They are as base circle, pressure angle, trace point, pitch circle, pitch circle, and a prime circle. So let's discuss on the first one, that is on the base circle. So here this is the point of base circle. Here we are able to see the base circle. Now in this base circle, it is the smallest circular that can be drawn to the camp profile. Now let's discuss about the trace point. So the trace point, we are able to see this part. This part is a trace point. It is the reference point of the follower and is used to generate a pitch circle. Coming to the next, that is pressure angle. So coming to the next, that is pressure angle. So it is represented the stiffness of a camp profile. So here we are able to see the paths. So in this, the pressure angle, I will just highlight the pressure angle. Pressure angle. Okay. So this is the part of pressure angle. So it represents the inclined angle at any point on the pitch curve between the line of motion of the follower and the normal to the point. Coming to the next, that is camp angle. So here the camp angle, it is the angle of rotation of the camp for the definite displacement of the follower. The angle turned during the fall is called as return or descent. Now coming towards the camp profile. So this is the part of camp profile. So in this, the camp profile, I will just show you the different image also. Here also there is a image of the camp profile. Now coming towards the camp profile, it is the actual working surface of the camp with which the surface of the follower is always in contact, and it is transmitted the required motion of the follower. So these are some of the terminologies. Coming towards the pitch circle. So it is a circle drawn from the center of a camp through the pitch circle. So we can see over here in this part, this is the part of pitch circle. This is the part of pitch circle. Now here, this is the curve generated by the trace point as the follower moves related to the camp. In knife edge, pitch curve and a camp profile are same as in roller follower. They are separated by the radius of the roller. Now coming towards the prime circle. So this is the prime circle. Now it is the smallest circle that can be drawn from the center of a camp and tangent to the pitch curve. For knife edge and flat face follower, prime circle and base circle are the same. In roller follower, prime circle is larger than the base circle by the radius of the roller. So as the radius of the roller is been increased. Now what is a lift or a stroke? So here I will just show you total follower travel that we can conclude as a lift. Now in this, it is the maximum travel of the follower. So this, we are able to see this arrow. So it is nothing but it is the maximum travel of the follower from its lower position to the top position. So these are some of the terminologies of camp and follower. Now in the next part of the video, we will be discussing on the various motions of the follower. We will be looking at the 4 types. So that's all for today. Thank you.